couple days ago I mentioned that I was at a sporting goods store and I wondered whether I could resist purchasing something. Well, I couldn't. So this is what we're going to play with today. This is a Mossberg Patriot in 308 Winchester. It has a 3-9 by 40 millimeter scope. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take our first shots and get the scope zeroed in to where we're hitting. So we're going to go downrange in the I guess freezing rain and snowfall we got going on here. Set up some targets and we'll join you when we're ready to start shooting. So given the weather we have, we're firing from inside the trailer. Today I'm going to be using Federal Power Shock 180 grain 308 Winchester, and that'll be the ammunition we use to bring the scope in and make sure she's all set. As mentioned, this is a 308 Winchester, comes with a detachable magazine, holds 5 rounds. On the larger caliber such as the 30 Win Mag, it would hold 4. So we're going to take some shots and see if we can sight her in. I don't have a camera set up on the target, which is 100 yards down the way. Given the weather and stuff, I don't want the camera to get damaged. But we'll see what we can do, and if the weather changes later in the day, we'll get on with it. So, time to go. Mike is going to be spotting for me, and we will see how we do. Alright. So we're going eyes and ears on. I'm going to do this without gloves just to keep a fine feel on the trigger. We're going to put the mag in. Alright, let's get a position here. Alright, I think we're about ready. Alright, gun is hot. You got eyes, Mike?
Eyes.
Alright, here we go. First shot.
Bottom right quadrant.
Ready?
Yep. You are 1/4 of an inch down and 1 inch to the right on the bottom quadrant.
All right, quarter.
You are 1/4 inch, no, you're 1/2 inch down, and now you are 1 inch left.
All right, I'm gonna leave it where it is. Ready?
Yep. You are 1 inch high on the, and you are on the money, left and right.
Okay, so
I think now it's just getting used to it.
yeah, I think I'm pretty much in.
Low 1 inch and a 1/2 inch to the right.
Alright, so I think we're pretty much centered with the scope. It does come factory centered from Mossberg. But of course we had to fine tune it in to make sure that she was all lined up. So I'm hitting right around the center. There's a little bit of a spread. I'm shooting at about a 2-inch box right now.
It's windy today too.
Yeah, there's a bit of a wind. I think the fact I haven't done scope shooting in about 25 years, and you know, what else can I come up with? It's the moisture in the air and the moon's gravity. It's all throwing me off. But I think we're getting pretty much there. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go for another couple rounds. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my hardest to shoot the 4 corners. There's red squares on the corners. And I'll see how close I can get to each one. And then we'll pull the target, we'll take a look at it, and see how I did overall. So let's go around here. Starting with the, let's go upper left.
Eyes and ears. Low 2.
Not sure if that picked up a round or not. Nope, I think it did. There we go. A little finicky. I think the plastic mag, but we'll see. Okay, upper right.
Down 1, 2 to the left.
Part of it's making sure I pull the bolt all the way back. Seems to get caught up in that last ½ inch. Bottom right.
Down half.
Alright, last round. Bottom left.
Down a half.
Alright, so that's me getting consistent. Let's go get the target. So here's the target. As you can see, first shot was down here. We adjusted from this point, started to bring it up into this area. Then I went around, first, second, third, fourth. So starting to get consistency and getting used to the rifle. It'll take time. We'll see how it does, but it's nice to have something, especially at 308 Winchester, which I'll be able to take out to 300-400 yards, no problem. Scope's decent. Certainly if I was going to start shooting 500 or more, I'd get something else. But for now, it's good to learn the basic skills. And it's fairly cheap. If you can pick up a combo, which this was, either through Mossberg or Savage, for well under $1,000, you can get a pretty decent setup. It did not come with the bipod, but it has everything else that you really need to get started. So if you can, and you want to get into long distance shooting, it's a great option. We'll see you next time.